Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi barakatuh. Today we are going to learn about the parameter, which is very important while making the soft drawing. Okay, because in soft drawing we have to make the annotation. So for annotation we have to fully understand about the parameter of which is available inside Revit. Okay, so see, this is Revit. Okay, and here there are four types of parameters inside the Revit. First one is the system parameter. Okay, and share parameter, project parameter, and family parameter. So system parameter is build parameter. Here we can see system parameter built in. Who can create? No one, because it is inside built the Revit. Okay, and system parameter tag, we can tag and we can make the schedule. Okay, so let's first understand about system parameter. Where is system parameter inside? See here, if you will check project parameter, share parameter, global parameter, where is system parameter? No. So see if I will place, suppose, an equipment here. What is this? This is like a FCU. Okay, so when I click here, some parameter is gray one. Okay, gray out. See, so this is the system parameter. Here nominal airflow with the critical path. Okay, some parameter is gray out. Also inside, if you check, this is a assembly description, omni class, all the parameters which is gray out, this is the system parameter. Okay, and what is advantage of this system parameter? System parameter we can appear in the tag. Okay, and also make the schedule. See, suppose I want to make the tag for this one, so here I can okay, and system classification, system name I have to do, right? So this is the tag, edit family and edit label. What was system classification? See, inside the label system classification is already shown here. Okay, and system name we can do and load into the project. Now see, it is showing here. Okay, leave it how to resize this one, but what I want to show that what is in here is gray out. Here gray out is the system parameter, which is very important, and we can use this system parameter into the tag. Okay, and also we can use this one inside the schedule. Okay, here see, I already use this one to make the tag, right? And which one is not gray out? See, some parameter is not gray out, like water pressure, external. So we can, this is like project parameter, and we can use project parameter, not tag. Okay, only we can use to make the schedule. Okay, suppose water pressure drop. Okay, so edit level, what was water pressure. See, it will be not here. Okay, also if I want to create here, the option is showing only sphere parameter, not project parameter, right? So now it is clear that project parameter we can use only inside the schedule, not in the tag, right? So now we know that system parameter, what is system parameter, and where we can use the system parameter, right? So first one, this is this one, and the second one is the sphere parameter. Okay, and sphere parameter we know that we can use in multiple projects. Okay, like a different project we can use the sphere parameter, and sphere parameter we can make the tag and make the schedule, both like the system parameter. But the only difference system parameter and sphere parameter is system parameter is already built inside the Revit, but we cannot create. Okay, but sphere parameter we can create. This is the reason this is user defined. Okay, suppose, see, suppose is this the drawing or what? Okay, this is the drawing. Suppose here is the mechanical equipment like FCU, and I want to tag like this. This is indicating the floor, like 7th floor, and the room number and the equipment number. Okay, and this is airflow, and this is bottom of unit 2830. So I want to create like this to make the tag. Okay, as well as if need, then we can make the schedule. So how we can create this custom type? So I have to use the sphere parameter. Okay, so how I have to do? Here edit label. Okay, edit. Here I have to select the sphere parameter. Okay, like we have to create different. Like I want to delete, and I want to show you. See, first I make the HBAC tag. Okay, also we can delete. So see, first I want to create the group, like which group I am going to create the parameters. So first new, like a HBAC tag, right? You can give any name, HBAC, and now parameter, which parameter I am going to create. Like first mechanical tag. Okay, because this is the mechanical tag. Okay, floor, room, and unit number. So discipline should be common. Okay, and length, so it is not length because this one is custom made, and we can make the text as per our requirement. So I make the text. Okay, and okay, right? So mechanical tag, I select. Okay, now it is appear here, and this is going to here, right? Mechanical tag, and load into the project. That's it. Okay, but it is not showing here. Why? Because I create the sphere parameter. I have to use that parameter inside our project. So first here add Shear parameter, select which one, mechanical. Okay, now for what category I created the parameter? For mechanical equipment, so category I have to select mechanical equipment. Okay, when I will select the mechanical equipment, then this parameter mechanical tag will show. See how. Okay, this is mechanical equipment. If I click, then here it will show the mechanical tag. Now I can make the text because the parameter which I create was the text, right? So like it's 07 floor and the room number 706 and 01, right? See, like this. Then okay. So now our tag will show like this. Okay, we can edit family. Oh, sorry. Here edit, and this one either we can adjust like this, or we can delete and use inside our project. See this box, so this is annoying, so we can delete, simple, or we can make as per our requirement for different size. Okay, see now this is one. Okay, the second one, the airflow, right? So similarly I will create like this, edit family, edit label, the airflow it will not show here. Let me check. See, not showing. Okay, so what I will do, I will create the shear parameter, because shear parameter we can use also in the tag and the schedule. Okay, edit, and now I will create the what, airflow, and airflow belongs to which category? HVAC, and airflow is, it is showing here. So airflow, and okay, airflow. Okay, airflow it is showing here. So we can also make the break, and now load into the project and close. See, it is not showing because I have to use now inside our project. So add system parameter, shear, select here, and airflow. Okay, and airflow for which, like which category? So mechanical equipment. Okay, select at least one to continue. Okay, airflow. Okay, so now it will show airflow. Okay, airflow here. Okay, if I will make like 500, so 500 liter, so here it will show like. Okay, now next, which one is bottom of unit? So also we can add inside this tag, edit the tag, edit the label, and the elevation will be not here, so I can make the shear parameter, edit, SBSC tag, new, and what, bottom of unit. Okay, common, because this is okay, HPAC, and the elevation it will be here, the elevation, no, see A, B, no. Okay, so a common and oh C, sorry for this one, because I just add the parameter, but no need to add the parameter because the parameter is already here, the elevation from the level. Okay, so I can use this one. Okay, and elevation from the level, and we can use the prefix like bottom of units. Okay, and make the break. Let's check. So see, bottom of unit is showing 0. Okay, because this parameter I just created it is 0 level. So if I make, so bottom of unit is showing like this. Okay, if I want to make the box big size, okay, load into the project, and now it will show like this as per the drawing, right? See, so, and also this one we can use inside our schedule. Okay, see how, see this one, the parameter which I created is the either system parameter or share parameter. So system or share, both parameter we can use inside the schedule. So if I want to make the schedule, just go to the view and the schedule and mechanical equipment. Okay, okay, and airflow just I created, elevation and the mechanical tag, right? These three things. Okay, so already available here which I created the parameter. So we can now easily create the schedule. See, the mechanical tag, airflow and the elevation from the level. So I hope you understand about the parameter. So now next is the project parameter which I know. Okay, for the parameter which we can use only in the schedule, not in the tag. Okay, like water flow from the pipe. So here, okay, this parameter if I want to show inside the schedule, so I have to create the project parameter. Okay, like add project parameter and water flow common or HVAC type of parameter. Like here we can show the parameter which we want, like a cooling load, air density. Okay, which I want to show inside our schedule. Okay, and group mechanical flow, yes, and here we can select the mechanical equipment. Okay, and okay, okay, so this one we can make only inside the schedule, not we can make the inside the tag. Okay, so the third one is also parameter, the family parameter. Which one we can use only inside the family. Okay, and this project parameter only I can use inside the project, but share parameter we can use multiple project, and system parameter which is already built in. So I hope you understand from this video, and if you understand something, then please subscribe and also join my channel. Okay, and if you have any doubt, then comment below and I will try to reply inshallah. Okay, thank you very much. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.